Here we have another quick unboxing video just to demonstrate how these lights will illuminate. This is for the Mini R50 and R53 year range 2001 to 2004. This is a smoked red LED version. These are available on our website if you just see the link below. Everything's sent mail order, so you can see that they're packed really well. Let's quickly get them out and have a look. These are fully plug and play. These plug directly into the vehicle's loom. There's no wiring modifications needed. There's also a resistor here. This is for the LED indicator so we don't get any fast flashing. Overall build quality is really good. They're really sturdy light. The finish is really nice. This is a smoke red version. As you can see, it's got quite a nice dark finish. Let's quickly get these illuminated and see what they look like.